So it's day one of the van and we're going to be fitting the windows today. Exciting. So we're just trying to figure out how we're going to do this, cutting holes in the van.
These won't take long. What the problem is, you get a nice straight cut on the winder. Yeah. Some of these aren't. Look, these are round. Yeah. Trying to get a
Aha!
So all these should come vertical like this. If you turn them horizontal on their side, open up the side, you can push the little ears like that. If they stay in, because look, some of them will come out with a frame. But this is a 2014 van, so it's a bit older and they're stuck in, but really easy to take out. And then repeat. Easy. The reason we're taking these out is because it's a really stupid design that Mercedes and Volkswagen have done. These plastic clips, there's nothing stopping water going in directly into the van. So the plastic's on there and it's only held on by these plastic clips, which isn't a problem. It's the fact that if it rains heavily, it gets in behind them, so they're not flush to the van. They run down onto these clips and then into the van. So before I clean this, there's been watermarks where water has been in there in the past. So we do this, we're sealing them all up to make them watertight so that when we have insulation in there, it's not going to stink after a few months of getting wet and drying and wet and drying. And also it won't rust the van and ruin it. So that's why we do this. Right. Perfectionists among me will get very angry because I'm using brown sealant on a white van, but it's going to be hidden by this, so don't worry about it. We're in.
This is the actual stuff we used for the those bits of the car. This is just something my granddad already had inside in the shed, so that's what we actually used if you ever wanted to know.
Hey, close the door.
We're on.
Is it on?
Yep. So, just like that.
Didn't really show that time.
No.
Just marking now around the outside where all the thingies are, holes, with the Sharpie, just so it's a clear line.
Yeah, so there's gaps, parts of the way around. There was just this one here, tiny one there, and a big one here that we need to close together because we've got a rubber seal to go around, so that there's not this horrible metal finish. It'll look better, and it means we can touch it without cutting ourselves open.
And that's important.
We stuck some of this no rust paint on where the metal's been cut so that it doesn't get rusty over time. Probably didn't need to do it, but it's just to be safe.
Steel wool cleaning and surface preparation stuff. So we're going to go all the way around the outside of the window, all around here, and make it like rough, I guess. So we're going to do that just now. Brew break. So this is the stuff we got from Van Pimps.
Says you're supposed to do it in one swift movement, so I'm going to start up here.
Some primer on, oh, you can kind of see it there actually, on the actual window after we cleaned it with an alcohol wipe. We just got one in our kit. This one, just do a wind bond glass wipe. Just use that, stuck that on, and then put more primer around the outside. Way to apply the adhesive now. The adhesive.
I thought you said clean it.
Will it go under that?
What?
Will they go under?
Yeah.
It's on! Oh. Well. Not being professional van builders or window appliers, I think we did a pretty good job. It's beautiful! So we've put these in here because we need to make sure that this doesn't drop. Oh look, you can see me. Hi. This doesn't drop during the night whilst it's staying on, and we kind of overdid it with the thingy here, but I think that'll clean off, hopefully. But yeah, not too bad. Not too bloody shabby.